Hey there. I hope you're all good and getting ready for the exam. Just remember, practice is the key to getting the score you want. Okay, so here's the question that we will be discussing today. Some people argue that protecting the environment should be the responsibility of the government, while others believe individuals have a role to play. Discuss both viewpoints and give your opinion. So let's have a look at how we are going to generate ideas and draft the essay. But first, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our educational content.
Let's have a look at the structure of the essay. Introduction. In the introduction, you should start by paraphrasing the essay question and then express your own opinion or stance on the topic. The introduction sets the tone for your essay and gives the reader a clear idea of what to expect. Body paragraph 1. In this paragraph, you will present the first viewpoint related to the topic. Provide a brief explanation of this viewpoint and support it with relevant examples or evidence. Body paragraph 2. Here you will discuss the second viewpoint on the topic. Again, provide an explanation and use examples to support this viewpoint. Ensure that this paragraph is coherent and flows logically from the first body paragraph. Your opinion. After presenting the two viewpoints, it's time to express your own opinion or stance on the topic. You can agree with one viewpoint, provide a balanced perspective, or present your own unique perspective. Support your opinion with reasons or evidence. Conclusion. In the conclusion, summarize the main points discussed in the essay, restate your opinion, and provide a closing statement. The conclusion should bring the essay to a satisfying end and tie together all the key ideas. Now, let's write the essay. Introduction. Environmental protection is a matter of global concern, and there is ongoing debate about who bears the primary responsibility for safeguarding our planet. While some argue that governments should take the lead in protecting the environment, others contend that individuals must also play a pivotal role. In this essay, I will discuss both viewpoints and provide my opinion on this crucial issue. Body paragraph 1. Government responsibility. Firstly, proponents of the idea that the government should take the lead in environmental protection argue that it possesses the necessary resources, authority, and regulatory power to enforce strict environmental policies. For example, governments can implement and enforce laws that limit industrial emissions, protect natural habitats, and promote sustainable practices. In addition, they can allocate funds for research and development of eco-friendly technologies. These measures, when executed effectively, can have a significant positive impact on the environment. Body paragraph 2. Individual responsibility. Secondly, those who emphasize individual responsibility believe that everyone has a role to play in environmental conservation. Every small action, from reducing personal carbon footprints by conserving energy and water to reducing, reusing, and recycling, can collectively contribute to a greener planet. Furthermore, individuals can support environmentally friendly businesses and engage in grassroots initiatives, demonstrating that change begins at the individual level. Your opinion. In my view, both the government and individuals should share the responsibility for environmental protection. While governments have the authority and resources to enforce policies and regulations on a large scale, individual actions collectively shape the environment's future. Governments must set the framework and provide incentives for sustainable practices, but individuals must also be actively engaged in these efforts to effect real change. Conclusion. In conclusion, the question of whether environmental protection should be the sole responsibility of governments or individuals is a multifaceted one. It is evident that both have crucial roles to play. Governments must provide the regulatory framework, funding, and leadership, while individuals must adopt eco-friendly behaviors and support green initiatives. Only through this combined effort can we hope to address the environmental challenges facing our planet effectively. It is a collective responsibility that requires cooperation between governments and individuals to ensure a sustainable future for generations to come.